If you've ever been wondering about how to get started trading, this is going to be the video for you guys. Hey, it's Mubarak of Invest HQ, and I want to run you through this short video, but a comprehensive step-by-step way on how you can get started trading cryptocurrency. I know you've heard about it from your friends, your family, it's all over the news, and you might have learned certain rules like, buy low, sell high, shorting, all these different kind of rules and concepts, but I want to show you how you can actually get started with just a click of a couple of buttons and going to a couple of websites. So if you've been on the fence, again, talk to your financial advisor. This isn't any investment advice. I'm not encouraging you guys to buy this. I'm just showing you how to, purely educational. All right. So if you've been kind of wanting to kind of get your feet wet and get started with the investing world and you want to grab onto this crypto hype, Coinbase.com is a great place for you to get started. All right. It's a multi-billion-dollar company that really has their security well put together. And I have no affiliation with them, but it's just the most kind of comfortable exchange to use. So to get started, let's talk about what an exchange even is. What is a cryptocurrency exchange? And essentially, you have to, whenever you hear of the word exchange, I want you to think of a marketplace, or pretty much like where you can buy and sell. It's a store. So just like how you have a grocery store and you have a barber shop and you have a restaurant, you have an exchange, right? Basic concept. And again, I apologize if you're an advanced trader. You might want to go into the next video. In this series, I'm going to cover, as I said in this video, how to get started and how to open up your account and actually buy or sell cryptocurrency. Then I'm going to talk about technical analysis in terms of how to find the best altcoin, then technical analysis, then fundamental analysis. So I'll tell you the difference between the two, and just kind of educating you on how to get started. And then finally, we'll also talk about ICOs, or initial coin offerings, right? Today's equivalent of a company going public, and IPOs. And again, this is just specific to the cryptocurrency world. We also have a series on how to get started investing in the stock market, Forex, and that you can find out if you go to investhq.org. But let's continue with this. For this video, I want to show you guys the concept of what an exchange is. So again, talking about cryptocurrencies, when you hear the word exchange, that is what you're going to use to be able to buy and sell. And there's a lot of them. Okay, there's a lot of different marketplaces. If we go to coinmarketcap.com, okay, that's probably something that you guys might want to eventually bookmark. In coinmarketcap.com, we see here that there's 1,500 different types of cryptocurrencies and altcoins, but there's over 9,000 different places where you can buy and sell them. All right, and those are all exchanges. One of the most popular ones is Coinbase, or really what I'm going to show you is GDAX. But if you're a complete noob, if you're new to this, I'm going to show you kind of how you can get started. But all of these different sources, and I'm just clicking and opening them up into a new tab so we can kind of swap to them, are just different types of exchanges that are very popular across the world, whether it's in different countries. But in the United States, I would say in North America, Coinbase is a very comfortable one. So I'm going to hop in and just sign in, or actually, I'm not going to sign in. I want to sign up to just show you guys how easy it is to pretty much get started. All you have to do is fill out this information and go through and create your account. You don't have to have any minimum. You don't have to even put in any money. All right. Just set up an account if you want. And I'll also kind of talk to you guys about introductory on kind of how to look at these charts. If this looks intimidating to you, don't worry. Give me the next couple of minutes of your time and I'll walk you through exactly what you're looking at. Okay, so let's take a step back and let's talk about what the whole concept of investing even is, right? There's short term and there's long term. Long term is a lot of what you guys hear of investing in real estate, right? Where you put your money in, some of it gets held there, so you might have to put a down payment, and then you slowly collect the rental income. If you do it right, then it works out well, because you have to pay all of your expenses and take care of the headache of owning a house and taking care of tenants and making sure they're placed there. But if you're able to charge them more rent you're slowly investing. And then also investing for the long term, what we've generally found over the last kind of 100 years, specifically studying the US, is that the value of a dollar will go up over time. Now, if you're in a third world country, that might not apply to you. You know, there's certain countries, Venezuela, you know, the Middle Eastern countries, whose economies have been destroyed. And so anybody who's invested in the long term has pretty much lost their money, and especially if they invested in their country's stock market or in real estate, because that just got destroyed. That's why, you know, for the if millennials here, you might hear a lot of people have invested in gold. That's not really something high schoolers and college people and, you know, young professionals in their 20s and 30s are really excited about nowadays. But the reason people used to do it before was because of lack of stability, right? During the times of imperialism and colonialism, and in the 1800s and 1900s, you didn't have that level of faith in the U.S., right? The only reason Warren Buffett is the richest man on earth is because he put his money and faith in the U.S. And because the U.S. is the most, you know, is a great country in terms of economy, that he was able to just make a constant appreciation and see how much his money kind of increased and appreciated over time. So in stable economies, like probably London, maybe even, but honestly, I don't know much about their economy. It could have fallen after Brexit, you know, and taking care of the euro, and with the British pound, they probably have some volatility. So that's long-term investing, where you put your money in somewhere and you hope that the value of what you put in, you hope your $1,000 becomes $5,000. But that takes a long time. That takes years and years, okay? It's cool. You should definitely do it, right? Don't waste your money on frivolous things. Keep some money in your bank. Pay off all your debt. And any extra money, invest, right? But that's not how people get rich at a young age, right? It's awesome to have a nice pension plan and a retirement plan when you're 65 and older, and that's great. And you should definitely take the right precautions, you know, put money into your 401k, get that all set up and do what you need to on that end. But what we're teaching you here is short-term trading. And short-term trading is where you can really make the profits, where you can really make a lot of money. Like, look at this. Look at Bitcoin. If you put your money in Bitcoin in just one month, in 30 days, you could have gotten 50% more. If you put in $10,000, you would have gotten $5,000. Just easy money. And that is just, you know, that you can't do that anywhere else. You can only do that in penny stocks. You can only do that in trading cryptocurrency. That's it. Nothing else is as reliable. Yeah, you can play the lotto, or you can play poker, or go to the casino. That's all gambling. That's all speculation. That's all just luck and chance. What we teach you is how to strategically and statistically win and be a profitable trader. And again, you're not going to win every trade, but if you win 80% of the time, you'll still be successful. So, sorry for that small rant. It's very important, and I hope it applies to you. Again, you know, definitely take that into account. But I just want to show you what we're looking at here. All we're looking at is different cryptocurrencies, and we're just tracking their price over time. That's it. It's nothing. It's no crazy math, no crazy stuff. We can get pretty complicated and advanced as I teach you guys in technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and how we kind of can ramp that up, of how truly kind of specific we can get. But that's not what you need to know to get started. All you need to know is that at the bottom are dates, and every point is just another time on this chart. All right, and there's different time frames. Look at that. Litecoin went up. If you invest, oh my god, this is okay. So just I'm running a little long on this, and I kind of showed you guys how to get started. All you do is sign in and sign up, and then you literally put in a buy order, which actually I think I want to show you guys. So let me show you guys. I'm going to quickly sign in and just show you kind of what you have to do. I'm going to make a dummy account. Give me 1 second. So yeah, when you log in, you would just see this type of screen, okay? And it's pretty simple. You just click on buy and sell, and you would put how much you want to buy, right? So for example, you just click here, buy and sell, and you would pick which one you would want to buy: Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. I was saying that with the delay. And it just tells you at what price you're buying at. And the whole goal here is, if you're going long, right, which means that you want the price to increase. You're hoping that it increases over time. Okay? That's kind of the goal here. But yeah, that's how you can get started. It's that easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What I did want to talk about, the last thing I want to talk about, is that these returns, a good planner, a good investor, like a financial hedge fund manager or something like that, what they'll do is they'll get you your money. They'll get you, let's look at the other exchanges. Sorry, kind of hopping all over the place, but they will get you about 20% on an amazing year on your money. Okay? And this, what we see here, is that it went up 4,700%, which is just insane. And just in the last month, it went up 57%. You could have gotten 50% on your money if you just invested in Litecoin. So these are the awesome ways that we show you how to make money, because I've done it. You know, a lot of our students have done it. We're making money, and it's only something that we can do now, right? The crazy volatility of the market, we're not worried about whatever scheming or pumps and dumps are going on. And I'll explain all those concepts in future videos. But if you feel shady about it, great. We do too. I think this whole thing is shady. All right. But I don't care. What's important now, and I'm 100% doing everything right in terms of like legally. What I care about is how to utilize this volatility in the market and use it to my advantage. And that's what we teach at Invest HQ. So hope you guys enjoyed this video to see how easy it is to open an account, how easy it is to buy or sell the cryptocurrency that you want to get involved in. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to find the best altcoins to trade. All right, because Bitcoin is interesting, Ethereum is interesting, and we have kind of whole courses set up on that. But I want to show you guys, 2018 and onward might be the year of the altcoins. All those other 1,500 cryptocurrencies that you saw, that it might be the year to invest in that now. So we're going to talk about that. So look for an email from us or a video regarding that in the next one.